Minister in charge Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Alexander Lalu Haig has informed that the government will soon set up the first ever full-fledged veterinary hospital in Shillong. He said the site for the project will be at Upper Shillong. According to him, the proposal will be submitted to the Centre for Sanctioning of Funds. Speaking to reporters on Friday, Haig said that a detailed project report (DPR) is being prepared for the setting up of the veterinary hospital at an estimated cost of 94 crore rupees. Stating that till date the state has 264 veterinary doctors, he said that once the state has its own full-fledged veterinary hospital, the department will have to find out means to accommodate new doctors, veterinary assistants and many others.
So far, we had this Meghalaya Veterinary Services Association just day before yesterday. I've seen there's quite sizable and doctors are there. 264 doctors. The dedicated hospital, veterinary hospital. Of course, the new doctors. So other new doctors we have to be accommodate them. The veterinary assistant, we have to accommodate them, and too many things are there, which we need to make the hospital full-fledged functioning.